Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daydream with New Music Friday. So, the greatest gift with Jorja Smith and Lila Ike is finally here. The track Greatest Gift is off Smith's second studio album, Falling or Flying, which was released today. Speaking exclusively with E Prime, Ike said she feels blessed to have been featured on the album and teases a possible music video.
It happened to be on my birthday that we finished the song. I kind of feel like it's some divine intervention and I feel blessed. As it relates to music video, she definitely said she wanted to shoot it here in Jamaica.
Now talk about one for the culture. I see you, Lila.
Cause you're the greatest gift. Just know that where you are is where you're meant to be. So tap in on yourself and your identity and take your time. And I can tell you this, the roughest and the toughest, yeah, we've been through it.
Popcorn has surpassed 1.5 billion streams on Spotify. The St. Thomas native has worked with Vibes Cartel, DJ Hume Productions, and Not Nice, producing hits like Gal Wine, Clarks, In a Work So, Jaja Protect Me, Gangsta City, Dream, Gangsta City Part 2, and Art Grabber. He gained international recognition with the street and radio hit Clarks in 2010, winning Best New Artist Male and Collaboration of the Year at the EME Awards. Now in 2014, Popcorn released his debut album Where We Come From, which entered the Billboard Top Reggae Albums chart at number 2. Now guess what, guys? 90s pop boy band NSYNC, they're reuniting for a better place. The track marks the first release from the group in over 2 decades. In a video posted to Instagram, band member Justin Timberlake said the song is a love letter to their fans. A Better Place will be featured for your weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daydream. Thank you for watching.